Are you planning a trip to Shanghai but worried about the cost? Don't stress. In this video, we're diving into all the tips and tricks you need on how to travel to Shanghai on a budget. From finding affordable accommodations to enjoying the best local eats and must-see attractions, we've got you covered. Whether you're exploring solo, traveling as a couple, or bringing the whole family along, we'll show you how to immerse yourself in Shanghai's vibrant culture, breathtaking sights, and delicious cuisine, all without breaking your pocket. Let's get started on your budget-friendly adventure to one of the most exciting cities in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever we post a new video. First, let's discuss what are the places to see in Shanghai. Shanghai is a city of contrasts, where futuristic skyscrapers stand alongside historic neighborhoods, and modern culture blends with rich traditions. Here are some must-see places in Shanghai. Number 1. The Bund. Bund is Shanghai's iconic waterfront, featuring a mix of colonial-era buildings and modern skyscrapers. It's a great place to stroll, take photos, and enjoy the contrast between historic architecture and the futuristic skyline of Pudong. Don't miss the chance to take a Huangpu River cruise, which offers a unique perspective of the city's landmarks. This is absolutely free to visit. River cruises typically range from $10 to $25, depending on the duration and the type of cruise, daytime, evening, or luxury. Number 2. Oriental Pearl Tower. Standing at 468 meters, the Oriental Pearl Tower is a symbol of Shanghai's modernity. It has several observation decks, including a glass-floored level, offering panoramic views of the city. The tower also houses a history museum and a revolving restaurant where you can dine while enjoying the views. Tickets range from $20 to $40, depending on the level you choose to visit. The revolving restaurant offers a buffet for around $50 per person. Number 3. Yu Garden. Yu Garden, or Yuyuan Garden, is a classical Chinese garden that dates back to the Ming Dynasty. It features beautiful landscapes with ponds, pavilions, rockeries, and ancient trees, providing a tranquil escape from the bustling city. The surrounding Yuyuan Bazaar is a great place to shop for traditional crafts and enjoy local snacks. Entrance to the garden is about $7. Access to the Yuyuan Bazaar is free, but expect to spend extra if shopping or dining in the area. Number 4. Shanghai Tower. As the tallest building in China and the second tallest in the world, Shanghai Tower offers stunning views from its observation deck on the 118th floor. The tower's unique twisting design makes it an architectural marvel, and the view from the top, especially at night, is unforgettable. Tickets to the observation deck are around $27. Number 5. Nanjing Road. Nanjing Road is a shopper's paradise, stretching from the Bund to Jing'an Temple. It's lined with a variety of shops, from luxury boutiques to local brands, and is a hub of activity day and night. The pedestrian section, Nanjing East Road, is particularly lively, with street performers, lights, and a vibrant atmosphere. Free to explore. Shopping and dining costs vary widely depending on where you go. Number 6. Jade Buddha Temple. Jade Buddha Temple is one of Shanghai's most famous religious sites. It's home to 2 Jade Buddha statues, one seated and one reclining, both carved from pure white jade. The temple is an active place of worship, with incense-filled halls and a serene atmosphere, making it a peaceful retreat in the city. The entrance fee is about $5. Additional donations may be required to see specific areas or statues. Number 7. French Concession. The French Concession is a historic area known for its tree-lined streets, colonial architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. It's a great place to explore on foot, with plenty of cafes, boutiques, and galleries. Tianzifang is a maze of narrow alleys filled with art studios and shops, while Xintiandi offers a mix of modern shopping and dining in a beautifully restored area. free to explore. Costs for dining, shopping, and visiting galleries vary. Number 8. Shanghai Museum. Located in People's Square, the Shanghai Museum is one of China's top museums, showcasing a vast collection of ancient Chinese art. Highlights include ceramics, bronzes, jade, calligraphy, and furniture. The museum itself is designed to resemble a traditional Chinese ding, a bronze vessel. Entry is free, but special exhibitions may require a fee, usually around $5 to $10. Number 9. Shanghai Disneyland. Shanghai Disneyland offers a magical experience with unique attractions like the enchanted Storybook Castle, the largest Disney castle in the world. The park features themed lands, thrilling rides, and live shows, making it a fun destination for visitors of all ages. Tickets range from $60 to $100, depending on the season and day of the week. Special packages, including fast passes and dining, are available for an additional cost. These detailed spots showcase the diversity and excitement of Shanghai, from its rich history and cultural heritage to its modern marvels, ensuring an unforgettable visit. Now, let's move on to some budget-friendly stays in Shanghai that will save money. Jinjiang in Shanghai Riverside on the Bund. Jinjiang in Shanghai Riverside on the Bund is an ideal budget-friendly hotel in the Huangpu district, just steps from the iconic Bund, offering clean, comfortable rooms with essential amenities like free Wi-Fi and air conditioning. It provides a convenient base for exploring Shanghai's top attractions, including Nanjing Road and Yu Garden. With rates ranging from $40 to $60 per night, this hotel combines affordability with a prime location, making it perfect for travelers who want to experience Shanghai without breaking the bank. Green Tree in Shanghai Jinshan District Wanda Plaza Longhao Road Express Hotel. It offers affordable, clean rooms with essential amenities like free Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Located near Wanda Plaza in the Jinshan District, it's a convenient choice for budget travelers, with rates ranging from $30 to $50 per night. Aiyu Hotel Shanghai Dongchuan Road Metro Station. This is a budget-friendly option located near Dongchuan Road Metro Station. The hotel offers clean and simple rooms with essential amenities, including free Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Its proximity to the metro station makes it convenient for easy travel around Shanghai. Room rates typically range from $30 to $50 per night, providing an affordable choice for travelers seeking comfort and accessibility. Now, we will cover the transportation facility in Shanghai. Shanghai offers a highly efficient and affordable transportation system. The metro, one of the world's largest, has 19 lines that cover most of the city, with fares ranging from 50 cents to $1.20 depending on distance. The bus network complements the metro, offering rides for around 30 cents, though it can be slower due to traffic. Taxis are widely available, with a base fare of about $2.50. For a unique experience, the maglev train, which connects Pudong International Airport to the city center, costs around $8 one way, offering a fast and futuristic ride. Additionally, Shanghai's bike-sharing system allows short-term rentals for as low as 20 cents per ride, while high-speed trains from Shanghai to other major cities like Beijing and Hangzhou cost between $30 and $100, depending on the distance and class. For crossing the Huangpu River, ferries charge about 30 cents, offering a scenic view of the city's skyline. Lastly, Shanghai's two major airports, Pudong International and Hongqiao, are well connected to the city, making it easy to access international and domestic destinations. Let's explore budget-friendly food and dining gems in Shanghai. Shanghai is a city where you can enjoy delicious, budget-friendly food without sacrificing quality. Street food stalls are a must-visit, offering local favorites like shengjianbo, pan-fried dumplings, and jianbing, savory Chinese crepes, for just $1 to $2 each. Small, family-run restaurants serve hearty dishes like noodles and dumplings for $3 to $5, often providing an authentic experience in cozy settings. Food courts and canteens, particularly in shopping malls and near universities, offer a wide range of affordable meals, typically costing $3 to $6. For a taste of Shanghai's famous Xiaolongbao, head to Jiajia Tangbao, where a basket of these delicious soup dumplings costs around $3 to $5. Vegetarian restaurants such as Gong de Lin also offer a variety of tasty, plant-based dishes for $4 to $7. Night markets are a highlight of Shanghai's food scene, where you can indulge in a variety of snacks like skewers and tonghulu, candied fruit, for under $10. Additionally, Chinese fast food chains like Yang's Dumplings and Haidalao provide satisfying meals for $5 to $8, making them excellent options for travelers on a budget. Exploring these dining gems allows you to savor the rich culinary culture of Shanghai without spending a fortune. Lastly, let's discover the ultimate shopping experience in Shanghai. Shanghai offers an unparalleled shopping experience, blending luxury, history, and local culture. Nanjing Road is the heart of the city's shopping scene, with Nanjing East Road offering a mix of historical stores and modern malls, while Nanjing West Road is home to high-end brands like Louis Vuitton. Huaihai Road is another prime destination, known for its luxury boutiques and designer labels, all set against the backdrop of the French concession's beautiful architecture. For those seeking high-end fashion with a view, the Bund offers luxury malls and designer stores along its iconic waterfront. Xintiandi combines the charm of traditional Shikuman architecture with stylish boutiques and cafes, offering a unique shopping experience. Art lovers and those seeking one-of-a-kind items will enjoy exploring Tianzifang, a maze of narrow alleys filled with boutique shops, art galleries, and handmade crafts. For custom-made clothing, the South Bund Fabric Market is the go-to spot, where you can have suits and dresses tailored to your liking at affordable prices. Bargain hunters will find the fake markets like AP Plaza and the Shanghai Science and Technology Museum Market intriguing, offering knockoffs of designer goods with plenty of room for haggling. For a traditional shopping experience, the Yuyuan Bazaar near Yuyuan Garden is packed with shops selling Chinese crafts, tea, and antiques. The Super Brand Mall in Pudong, one of the largest in Asia, offers a wide range of shops, dining, and entertainment options. Finally, Chipu Road Clothing Market is a haven for budget-conscious shoppers, offering trendy fashion and accessories at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking to splurge on luxury or hunt for bargains, Shanghai's diverse shopping scene has something for everyone. And there you have it, everything you need to know about how to travel to Shanghai on a budget. With these tips, you'll be able to explore this incredible city, soak in its rich culture, and savor its amazing food, all while keeping your wallet happy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget travel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, go pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Shanghai.